favor. I'm thinking of starting a faceless YouTube channel, but I don't know how to go about it.
Why not subscribe to Grow with Mimi's channel on YouTube?
Attention everyone, I am Grow with Mimi. My birthday comes up on the 11th of this month. Hello, I'm late for work, but before I leave, I need to share my deepest secret with you. Mimi created me from Crash.
Okay guys, so in order for us to achieve those kind of videos, this is what you have to do, and this was what I did. So I came over to my Gemini AI, I clicked on it to open, and this is the interface it brought me to. Now let me tell you something. In order for you to get what you want, you need to download the app so that after generating your images and your videos, you can download them. So at this point, if you look right here, if you look up here, you see that my Google this thing has this Google colors, so meaning that I am using the Pro version. Now in case you've not gotten the Pro version, it literally means that you might not get same results. Do you understand? So if you don't know how to get the Pro version, I will link the video that will tell you everything to do, how to get the Pro version, to the end screen of this particular video. So go and watch that video and you will be able to get the Pro version of this Google AI View 3.1. So at this point, all I will do is for me to go ahead and click on create video. So I'll go ahead and click on create video. So now that I've clicked on create video, this is the interface it has given to me. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. So one thing you need to know about these AI tools is this: your prompt determines if you get what you want or not. So if you give it a well-detailed prompt, trust me, your output will be good. Now at this point, I have to go ahead. This is my prompt here. You might want to pause the video and copy it. This is my prompt. So do not forget to tell it that you want it to look professional and very realistic. So at this point, let me adjust this particular place. So at this point, I'm done adjusting my prompt. I'll go ahead and click on send. So for you to send it, this is where you're going to click. So I have gone ahead to click on it and it will start generating for me. Now let me tell you something you need to know about this View 3.1. Now in a day you can generate 3 videos. Now one thing you also need to know about this particular platform is this: it generates video very fast when compared to its competitors. So in less than 3 minutes you should get your videos, and their videos are more realistic. Yeah, permit me to say that this is not an advert, but trust me when I say that their videos are more realistic. Okay guys, so at this point our video is ready, so I'm going to unmute it. Let's listen to it together.
Isabi say my husband and Kev go like this food. Now wife marry me in the first place.
So this is it guys, and if you look at the environment, it's looking very realistic. Now one thing you need to know about this View 3.1 is this: in a day you are entitled to creating 3 beautiful videos, and these 3 beautiful videos I'm talking about should be around 8 seconds long. In a situation where you want to create more of these videos, I think you need to get another device, another email, then get this Pro version again. So I already told you earlier on that in case you do not know how to get this View 3.1 for free, let me know in the comments, and of course I'm going to link the video on how to get it to the end screen of this particular video. In a day you can create unlimited numbers of images. So in a situation where you're looking for a platform for you to generate images as many as possible, this is one platform that you should use. I'm sorry to say this is not an advert, I am just telling you because this is the platform I use in generating my AI generated images. So in order for us to get our images, I'll just come here, click on the plus sign, then I'll just click on the plus sign. So If you want to bring in your image from your gallery, you can go ahead and bring an image from gallery. If you want to use camera, you can go ahead and do that. So at this point, I am not bringing an image from gallery. I am not bringing from camera. So here, I'll go ahead and tell it to give me an image. I'll say, please kindly give me an image of an African lady teaching in a classroom. I wanted very realistic and so this is it, guys. I don't want this video to be long, so let's go ahead and send the prompt. Okay, let me just tell you that students should be in the classroom. Students should be well seated in the classroom. So I'll go ahead and click on this sign. I'll go ahead and click on the send, and it will start generating for me. Once it is done generating for us our images, it's going to be a still image. Now let me tell you something you also need to know, most especially for those creating faceless content. If you don't want to have issues with YouTube when creating your faceless YouTube content, you shouldn't use the still pictures like that. If not, you have issues of low effort content with YouTube. So what I'll do at this point is for me to go ahead and click on the image, then I'll click on save. So because I've clicked on save, I will take it to Grok AI. So I'll now take it to Grok AI. So here on Grok AI, I am going to tell Grok AI to animate it for me. So I'll click on create videos. So I've clicked on create videos. Here I've chosen the image, and automatically it will start animating it for me. So as a content creator who creates faceless content, you don't want to show your face and all of that, it is imperative you use animated images so that YouTube will not at the end of the day tell you that your contents are low effort and all of that. Now once Grok AI is done animating these images for you, you can now take it to CapCut and do it the way you want to. Now let me also tell you another thing you also need to know. Grok AI is free, but I think it has some limitations. So I think in a day you might create up to 10 videos. You might animate up to 10 videos or so. So in order for you to keep enjoying Grok AI, is either you create a temporary email or you get multiple emails. You understand? So at this point our video is ready. All I will do is for me to go ahead and click on this download sign here. I'll just go ahead and click on the download sign, and automatically I will see it in my gallery. So let me minimize and move over to my gallery to confirm if the image is here already. So it is here. This is it now. This is it. This is our animated image here. So this is it, guys. This is the fastest way for you to animate your images. So what are you supposed to do? Get it done, get it generated by Veo 3.1. Take it to Grok AI. Grok AI will help you animate it into videos. Then you move over to CapCut, join your videos, join your audio, and that's just it. You're good to go. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. If you have questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments. Of course, I'm always there to respond to your questions. So let me know if you want to get the Veo 3.1 for free as a student for 12 months. For 12 good months, guys, you'll be using it for free. So let me know if you want to get it in the comment section. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now. If you have a video request, drop it in the comment section as well.